Coventry University sees itself as an economic development partner. We work with our partners around the world, as we're working with TKH here, to look at what the needs of Egypt or the needs of companies within Egypt, and what we then put together is programs which meet those needs. What is it that students want to study, and what is it that Egypt wants them to study, and bring that together to deliver the solution you see here today, which is amazing.
Through our history at Coventry, we've always been a vocational university. What's interesting about TKH is to have a similar curriculum to Coventry, but bring in the businesses from the area and bring in keynote speakers from the area. That really means that students are exposed to what's needed in business locally and give them real life examples.
Transnational education is a major part of the Coventry University Group strategy for 2030. A major part of that is our relationship with TKH. Just by looking at these facilities, you can see the potential and the growth that we can have.
We have a strategy that goes out to 2030. One of the core themes of that strategy is being a global university, and the success here is just giving us a huge amount of confidence in all the other initiatives that we've got, but also to discuss with El Sawadi how we can scale and develop activity here to make it even more successful. So cannot overstate how important this is, and really what a fantastic occasion it is seeing the first cohort graduate.